let's open Passione Beauty. I have a new fixation. I have fixated on nails. Look at this. Look at this. I need to be able to do it myself. What a normal person will do, it's bind it all. I bought it all. I bought it all. So let me show you all what I got and why I got it, and so you can understand and excuse me, basically. You know the fan is going. However, all the brands that I knew from USA, they are not exactly that much available here, unless I know there are some other routes that I don't know, and probably maybe the license to do this, so you can buy it. So what I found was this Italian brand that actually the person that was doing my nails before uses, and then I actually like ask like a couple of estheticians around which brand they recommended, and they all recommended this one. So let's open Passione Beauty. That's the name, Futura Beauty. I always call it Passion Beauty, but it's not. It's Passione Beauty. This took me some days, maybe a week, long nights, because I had to work, maybe after work, and then I have to get it over with. I don't know if it's an Aries thing, but after like I get some knowledge, I get to the point that I'm like, I need to get it out of my system so I can be sane again. So I bought it like at 4 a.m. something like that. Obviously, like my For You page or all of my socials now, it's about nails. They're helping. Okay, this is how it's looking inside. I think this is the free gift, like a tote bag. This was so fast, guys. I'm looking at the notes. Ordered it on the 12th, and I got it express on the 14th, so like 2 days. Very fast, because I don't know if you know it, but here in August, everything gets slow. Nobody's working, everybody's on vacation. Like, everything is closed on the 15th. It's extra slow. There's less people working. So they actually were on it. And they even have like a WhatsApp system. So they send me a text on WhatsApp, what's up? And also the DHL Express contacted me. Let's talk more showing. I decided to go, since I use a lot of my nails, to start with a builder gel set. Inside you should have like the lamp and all the steps. Yeah, you have the Futura lamp, the Cures It, the gels, and all the like softer ones, and the pouch with all the steps. Should have some like nail files. Oh, there they are. A cleaner, more files. I think this is the brush, nail form, and I believe a color. So they have this name for their, it's like patent technology for like a softer builder gel, and they call it Gelnius. This is everything inside, and that's the kit and the lamp underneath. I will definitely go in more depth while I have everything, because I'm still like missing. I order more stuff obviously from other brands. Also like Shein. I want to try, like a lot of videos are about Shein's things, and I want to try it. Oh, and the bits and the nail, la fresa? What's the name of fresa? The drill, that's the name, the drill. So prepare to be sick of me. I'm gonna be shelling and trying. We're gonna start together, and we will get better. Mind you, gels, like nails are cheaper here than USA, but I found myself, well, the quality is not as good. Even DR has amazing service for nails, but here the price versus like life cost and but you actually like when you work your paycheck, it's not I wouldn't say it's on the same level at all. Actually, Italy is kind of behind on that, like salary stays like in, I don't know, 20 more years ago. It never actually increased. Instead, inflation and life cost increased. And also, why do they think they're American? Like, okay, I I was buying some stuff on Temu as well, and I was about to go and pay, and I saw they have a lot of like taxes for since it was coming from, I'm guessing, China, and they used not to do that, so that's new. And I'm like, I thought I left USA. Like, what happened? What happened? However, that's also why I had to like find everything I like. I had it on Temu. It's Temu in Italian, Temu, and find it in other sites like Shein. Like, just give me the total. I'm fine with that. I don't want to see the extra charge. Like, why am I paying 40 euros for you to ship me things that I'm already buying? You know, like, just put it inside and figure it out, and I'll be happier. What else I bought? I bought another nail file, 100. I think it wasn't included on the set. I bought a Jelly Pro Nude. So this is like, it should be a little harder than the Gelnius. And this is the Gelnius that I bought outside. I bought different colors. This is the name, number, cover caramel. Number, it doesn't show. Maybe inside. Then I got a red one, and I hope it's something similar to this one. And then cupcake that I want to put on my feet. I got a black one. I got a milky white. This is the tote. We can put some stuff in here. That's nice. Yeah. Oh, I bought 2 of 100. This is off 150 and 100. Okay. Well, it's never enough for nail file, I guess. I'm guessing. For the totals, I can show you that. So I spent around 160 euros, and I had a 10% for first-time customer. The taxes were around 26 euros. So I had a total, or like 140 something, 143, and that's what I spent. And yeah, taxes is 22% included. The shipping was free and it was fast.